Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to open Gemini with voice. Start by enabling voice activation in the Gemini app, grant microphone permission, and choose a short wake phrase. Teach Gemini your voice by repeating the phrase several times and run simple tests like Open Gemini. Adjust sensitivity if it triggers unintentionally, and set a fallback PIN so you always access the app securely when voice fails. Walk through a simple checklist to get voice opening working perfectly. Enable mic access, set the wake phrase, and allow background listening if your device supports it. Update both Gemini and your system software so compatibility issues are minimized, then reboot the device to apply changes. Test in a quiet room and adjust voice sensitivity to avoid false activations while still recognizing your commands reliably every time. If you're enjoying the guide, please subscribe and like if you're finding the video helpful. That really keeps content coming. Quick recommendation. The Oala water bottle keeps you hydrated during long testing sessions, fits cup holders, and has a leak-proof flip lid, which is perfect if you talk to Gemini for hours. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. If Gemini won't open by voice, start with a quick restart of the app and device to resolve transient issues. Check microphone permissions, lower background noise, and temporarily disconnect Bluetooth headsets that might steal audio input. Reteach the wake phrase if recognition drifts, and try a slightly different phrase or pronunciation. If problems persist, check for app updates and reset voice settings to default before reconfiguring from scratch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.